Man, check out this steam cleaner. This here is going to be great for car detailing, any project around the house. This thing is going to be able to clean bathrooms, window seals, kitchens, you name it. It's got every accessory you see here on the table included. So you're going to be able to clean upholstery with this here. This is also cleaning windows because there's a squeegee, but they also include 3 of these like microfiber socks that go over this. So you can clean like surfaces like your couch. It's like a little booty that you can put on, and you can go ahead, and this is going to shoot out steam. I'm going to show you here in a second. I have a window seal that needs to be cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and just show you some of the accessories first. They even give you a microfiber rag, which will be nice to wipe up when you're done because it is cleaning with hot water only. They do include some nice silicone gloves too as well. And then all these different tips, right? These are going to be like what I use for the window seal. Then there's some metal ones. So if you needed to clean like your grill, this is perfect for cleaning the grill. This is going to be a grill cleaning one. And hot steam is going to just dissolve all that grease. And again, like for your carpets in your car, you have all these different utensils here or adapters and nozzles. This one here is going to be able to just like scrape where you're and not let the steam come up because it has an outlet here. So all of this is included. We have 2 different handles, right? Depending on how far you want to reach. It's comes with a really nice cord here. It's going to be about, 5 feet long. And then you have the power cable too. So you're going to be able to work and be able to move in your space. You do have a very nice unit with a minus and a plus to increase the intensity, and then your power button. You do have a drainage on the bottom when you're done, but you can fill it up from the top to here as well. There's a little spot, this little gasket comes up and you can pour your distilled water in, and then a handle to carry, which tucks away, which is really nice. So very compact design. Let's go ahead and get some water filled in, and then let's go ahead and clean the windowsill. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but right here, a lot of dirt. Hardly ever clean this, right? You lift the window up. This seal is exposed to outside down here, right? So you could wipe it, but this is going to make it so much easier. This is the setup I'm using. This all just turns and twists on. So you would snap it in, boom. This part comes off too as well if you wanted to use a different tip, but I like this tip. It spins and turns on. We turn our machine on. So we have our machine on. Let's go ahead and give it a second to warm up. The machine itself will hold about 1,250 milliliters of water. We can see that steam's already coming out quick. Look at that. Instantly cleaning. I mean, that's a good amount of steam there. Everything's coming clean. I don't even have to purge any pressure. You can get into the cleanliness. Look at all that gunk just fly out. Wow. All right, so this turns it off. Takes less than 10 seconds to turn off completely, which I like that feature. So the off button on the unit turns it off pretty instantly. This is where you can go ahead and use your rags. I don't know if you can see in there the difference, right? Look, I didn't do this side, and check that out. I just need to wipe now and wipe all that up. Let's go ahead and use our microfiber rag and get that wiped up. All right, we're using our microfiber rag. Check this out. Just an easy pass through. And that is just amazing. I'm blown away by how clean that came. This would be great to go around the house. Super easy. You could fly through cleaning all those window seals. You could use like chemicals and things like that if you wanted to. But I just used the power of hot water and steam. No chemicals needed. And I got the best shine and clean inside this window seal that you could possibly ever get. So I highly recommend this. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. If you're looking for a steam cleaner, they use the power of steam to clean any surface, your car, sofas, kitchens, bathrooms that are be great in. That window seal I just did, you need to check this out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do this review.